In this section, we're going to begin the hands-on part of the tutorial by setting up a virtual operant conditioning chamber. This project is included in the supplementary materials. All the materials you need, including scripts and 3D models, are freely available. You can download them either from the provided zip file or from the GitHub repository. Now let's get started with the setup. The first step is to download Unity Hub. This is a desktop application that allows you to manage different versions of the Unity editor. To ensure compatibility with the Spatial Creator Toolkit, it is recommended to install Unity version 2021.3.45 F2. Although version 2021.3.44 F is mentioned in the official documentation, it has a known security issue, so we will use the updated version instead. During installation, make sure to include the WebGL Build Support module and the Visual Studio component by selecting them in the Add Modules option. Once Unity is installed, the next step is to download the OCE.zip file from the supplementary materials. After downloading it, extract the contents to a folder on your computer. This folder contains everything required for the project, including the Spatial Creator Toolkit libraries, 3D models, custom scripts for reinforcement schedules, textures, audio files, and other resources. Now open Unity Hub and click on Add, then select Add Project from Disk. Navigate to the extracted folder and select the OCE project. When you open the project, Unity may ask you to update the software development kit. If this happens, go ahead and accept the updates to ensure that everything works correctly. At this point, your project should be fully loaded and ready to use.